Okay. Okay, let's do some examples on this, on how to use this formula. Okay. For example, if I ask to find the derivative function of y equals to uh, x power of 5, okay, the way to do it is to use the formula. Okay, basically we move the 5 to the front and leave the power with the original power minus 1. Okay, so I will have 5 times x power 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, this is how do we do it. Okay. Also, sometimes you will have to do question like this. So y equals to x power of 3 plus 2x power of 10 plus 2x and plus, say, a constant 10. Okay. To derive this kind of function, what you need to do is to differentiate, okay, each term individually and plus them together at the end. Okay. So what I have to do is dy dx equals to differentiate x power of 3, which is 3x power of 2, okay, plus differentiate this part, which is 2. Okay, we separate the 2 first, okay, times 10 times x power of 9 plus, okay, the differentiation of 2x is 2, okay, because say if y equals to 2x, dy dx, okay, will be 2 times x is power 1, okay, we move 1 in the front, and times x power of 1 minus 1, which is 0, and I will have 2 times 1 times x power of 0. Anything power of 0 is 1, so I will leave with 2, which is the constant, the coefficient. Okay. So just for to differentiate something like this, just write down the constant. Okay. And when I try to differentiate a constant, the differentiation of the constant is always 0. Okay. Now, so let me rewrite it. So I have 3x squared plus 20x power of 9 plus 2. Okay. The idea is just differentiate them individually, and you will end them up later. Okay. The trick part is in here. Okay. Basically you can separate it. Okay. So basically we move 10 to the front and leave 10 minus 1. What happens there? Okay. Let me. Okay. So okay. What happens is we move the 2 to there. We don't change anything with the constant, and sorry, we don't change the coefficient and differentiate the rest, okay, which is 10 times x power of 9. That's your answer. Okay. Okay. Also, you have to differentiate function like this: y equals to x power of, okay, this is y equals to 20 times x power of minus 10. Okay, we use the same. The differentiation is the same. We leave the coefficient out. Okay, and what we do is we move the power to the front and leave the power after we minus 1. Okay, so what I will have is 20 times minus 10 times x power of minus 10 minus 1, which is 20 times minus 10 minus 200 x power of minus 11. Okay. Also, with this formula, we can also solve to differentiate this kind of question: y equals to square root of x. The idea is we convert it into this form. Okay, square root of x is x power of half. Okay, so when I try to do it, when I try to differentiate, I will have we move the power to the front, and the power have to be minus 1. So I will have half times x power of half minus 1. I will have half times x power of minus half. Okay. Also, sometimes in the exam they will ask you to differentiate y equals to x power of, say, power of 4 on 5. Okay, in this case the power is a fraction. Okay, to do it, okay, what we need to do is to differentiate dy on dx equals to use the same concept, move the power to the front, and take away 1, okay, and leave it there. So I have 4 on 5 times x power of 4 on 5 minus 1, okay, which is 4 on 5 times x power of minus 1 on 5, okay, which is 4 on 5 times x power of 1 on 5. Okay, this is how we do it.